Welcome to the Age of Understanding series. This presentation explores how artificial intelligence and accounting principles converge to create new forms of understanding in our modern world. This series covers four groundbreaking concepts. First, the large accounting model. Second, emotion in a machine. Third, self-organized learning. And fourth, the robot manifesto. Each represents a different dimension of understanding in the age of artificial intelligence. Each concept corresponds to a specific type of understanding. The large accounting model provides economic understanding. Emotion in a machine delivers emotional understanding. Self-organized learning enables human understanding, and the robot manifesto offers political understanding. Let me explain how these ideas came together, starting with the fundamental parallels between neuroscience and accounting. Neurons communicate through firing rates that measure differences. The baseline shows a neuron firing at 12 times per second. During excitation, the firing rate increases significantly, showing how much more activity occurs. During inhibition, the firing rate decreases dramatically, showing how much less activity occurs. This pattern of measuring differences is fundamental to neural computation. Accounting operates on the same principle of measuring more or less. It uses positive and negative values, just like neurons use excitation and inhibition. The profit and loss statement tracks income minus expenses. The balance sheet records income minus the amount paid. Both systems fundamentally measure differences and changes. There's a famous principle in neuroscience: neurons that fire together, wire together. This means associations are strengthened through repeated activation. Accounting works similarly through association to accounts. When transactions are repeatedly linked to specific accounts, patterns emerge and relationships strengthen. In neural systems, modulation amplifies signals, making certain pathways more influential. In accounting, forecasts amplify expectations, making certain financial projections more impactful on decision-making. Both systems use amplification to emphasize important information. Now let's explore the first concept in depth, the large accounting model, and how it provides economic understanding. Traditional accounting uses double-entry bookkeeping, which captures a point in time and requires a general ledger. However, period-entry accounting captures the economic lifespan of transactions and eliminates the need for a general ledger. This shift represents a fundamental change in how we track economic activity. Today we have millions of isolated accounting silos. Blockchain technology enables customers, suppliers, and banks to share a single entry system. This eliminates reconciliation and enables instant, free payments. It's a revolutionary shift from fragmented to unified economic tracking. The second concept explores emotion in machines and how artificial intelligence can develop emotional understanding. Emotional AI requires several key components. First, emotional tokenization to represent feelings as data. Second, a double-head architecture where predicting words and emotions together generates authentic emotional responses. Third, an external emotion ledger for alignment with human values. Fourth, an internal value system for autonomy. And fifth, a fairness balance mechanism to ensure cooperation and alignment between AI and humans. The third concept examines self-organized learning and its role in human understanding. Large language models can drive a new education system. An LLM-driven ledger tracks meta-learning across experiences. Self-organizing campuses host meetups and festivals for collaborative learning. Alternative credentials emerge where employers test candidates using LLMs, creating better candidate search than LinkedIn. Students pay as they go with transparent records and no advertisements. This system costs 100 times less than traditional universities, while being more effective. Finally, we arrive at the robot manifesto and its implications for political understanding in an automated world. The robot manifesto proposes democratized robot ownership. Individuals charge rent on robots at £5 per bot hour. A robot is defined deliberately broadly as any technology that replaces humans. This system scales naturally with the economy. Crucially, these bot rentals paid directly to citizens becomes a source of tax income for government, not an expenditure. This compares to UBI, which is funded indirectly via taxation. Economic management shifts from controlling money supply to managing bot supply. This creates a sustainable framework for an automated economy. As the economy grows, so does the bot rentals to individuals, creating demand in the economy for more bot goods and services.